I almost feel embarrassed that I was influenced to buy this My Little Pony keyboard. Like, it's literally made for little girls. But then again, I'm not, because YOLO, baby. Do what makes you happy. And honestly, I am not disappointed. This keyboard is adorable and actually built like a dream. It's got tri-mode connectivity and is compatible with Windows and Mac. It's super versatile for all setups. Inside, it packs a 4,000 milliamp battery, meaning fewer charges and more time to type your little heart out. And can we talk about that brilliant RGB lighting? It's like your desk suddenly joined a pastel rave, full on unicorn glow energy. Now, for the fun part, the magic friendship switches, smooth, soft, hot swappable, and honestly kind of therapeutic to press. Add in that gasket mounted design with tons of foam, and every press feels buttery and quiet, totally luxury vibes. You guys, I have a lot of keys, and this one sounds so creamy and deep, I can't even tell you. She has a multimedia knob so you can adjust volume, switch tracks, or control brightness like the tech royalty that you are. So, yeah, I might have been influenced, but zero regrets. This keyboard is magical. It's functional and it's unapologetically cute. I left you the link. Just tap the little shopping cart and grab yours.